Meaning of fire raiser.
Fire raiser.
Fire raiser.
Fire raiser.
Fire raiser. Fire raiser refers to a person who intentionally starts a fire, often with the intention of causing damage or harm. This may include arson or other forms of malicious fire starting. The consequences of fire raising can be severe and potentially life-threatening, as fires can quickly spread and cause extensive damage to property, as well as putting people at risk of injury or death. Fire raising can also have significant psychological effects on those affected, including trauma, stress, and fear. Overall, fire raising is a serious crime that can result in severe legal consequences, as well as causing significant harm to individuals, communities, and the environment.